I'll just summarize everything now in the final finishing. So this includes a lot of things. Okay, because now I think you have understood the concept of the software, and I think you can do the work breakdown structure by yourself. And you have to do this, you have to consult with other people if you do not know, and then you can easily do these things. So important thing is that you understand the concept of how the software works and how the relationships are formed. The flooring works, final finishing, I'll just outline this. And final finishing, I'll take painting and also let's say electrical, sanitary, doors and windows and everything. Okay, so I'll take these works for 4 months, so that is 120 days. And these are connected with the flooring work of ground floor. I'll just connect these. And also I'll take the site development as 120 days, 3 months, not 120 days, 4 months. So you can do this side by side, and you can plan this in a way that the final finishing and site development, they finish together. So this is 48 finish to finish relationship. And if you see the Gantt chart over here, then you can see that the site development and the final finishing finish at the same time. So which means that you have to start the site development works at this position latest, that is 20th of the January 2025. Okay, so having known these things, this is how you make a basic schedule in the Microsoft project. And once you're done with the Microsoft project, then the next thing that you have to see is the critical path, and you have to find the critical activities. So what are the critical activities? So you must be knowing about the critical activities. So the critical activities are those activities where the float is 0. You do not have any extra days to complete the work. You have to finish the work within that time, right? So for this, what we do is that we go to the Gantt chart format, and after that you can find over here critical tasks. You click on it, then the Microsoft project will show you the critical task in this orange color over here. You can see that these all tasks are my critical task. Okay, and you have to focus on these tasks, right? All right, you can find these critical tasks.